Hello guys, this is now our last video tutorial on Mendeley software. So I have this one, my paper. I copy my paper from abstract to a little bit about introduction, and we will try to put a citation on every red colors. Yung mga pula dyan, yun yung lalagyan natin ng mga citation. And after that one, we will put the bibliography at the end of the introduction. Okay. So now we will go to references. You can see now the Mendeley in the references and select what appropriate style do you want. So in the case of mine, I use APA, and then click the red part where do you want to put your citation, and then insert citation, and then search your related literature, and then okay, then click OK, and then do it on the next slide. For the next red color, Hirabashi. So we will add another reference, and then go to other red color. So just imagine that you are writing your paper and you are reading research article, and you add the references, and then in the lower part. Now this one, the IPCC, this is different one, because according to, so you need to write the author and then enclose the year. So that can be done using Mendeley also. So click the research and press the author. So it will only display the name, the year, and you will write the name of the author. Do it. Okay. Okay, the last one we will add the another reference. Okay. Okay. Then add in the lower part. You need to insert bibliography. So you can click the insert bibliography and then type this is for reference. So references. So that's it. That is how to create your paper using how to cite your paper using Mendeley. Hope to Please write any comments and subscribe to this tutorial.